Hello, this is Paul here, and have a Logitech mouse. I want to say it's like a 400 or 500 series. It's one of the more compact mice. Looks like this. And you're wondering how to get it apart, because there's no screw holes in the battery compartment. There's only screw holes behind the rear feet pads. There's none on the front pads. There's no other screws. There's nothing hid under there. Just the rear feet pads and nothing on the inside. So I did figure out how to get this thing open, because even with a toothbrush bristle or paper towel or paper clip, you're not going to get it clean from the outside. At some point it will gum up and you can't get it clean. So how do you get this thing open? Well, you pry it from the rear just a little bit, like only a few millimeters, like so. And then what you do is you push the bottom forward, or no, it's the top that goes forward. Yeah, the top goes forward, the bottom goes back. So you just wedge the bottom apart a little bit, and then you push the plate on the bottom back and the part on the top forward, so they shear along the seam. And once you get it far back enough, pardon me, I've been able to do it without doing it on the camera, but wiggle a little bit and it actually comes open. How about that? So these models that you didn't think you could open before, because the top wouldn't come off in any possible way, you have to push the top part forward and then they pop open. And as you can see here, the mouse roller wheel has a little plastic piece, and this gets crud on it. So as you can see, there's no way to clean it from the outside of the mouse. You actually have to open it up. Once you get it to this stage, you can get access to the micro switches and the roller, and you can clean it or service it if you have the electronic skills. I'm just going to clean it with cotton swabs and isopropyl. But now you get an idea, and to reverse the process, you kind of do it backwards. You put the front down and you push it back. Well, I'm going to clean it, but there's a little spring back here for the lid, and you got to make sure the spring seats in the little hole it goes in. Other than that, it's easy peasy, but I just wanted to show you how to get these open, and you can service them. So these mice you thought you couldn't open up in any way, do open up. And the plastic top can come off because there's a screw on the inside, and that's why you can't get it from the outside. There's a screw here somewhere. Other than that, it's not too hard. But it took me a while to figure this one out, but I thought I'd share it, so if anyone else trying to figure out how to get these open, now they know. Alright, you're welcome.